Sophia Dunn. You're watching Crypto Market News. The crypto markets have taken a slight downward trend after trading last week, with 15 of the top 20 digital currencies by market capitalization in the red. Bitcoin is trading around $6,400 according to the CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, according to the CBOE Global Markets, Bitcoin has recently reached a point where the blockchain-based asset is now less volatile than stocks of Amazon, Netflix, and Nvidia. In fact, BTC has less volatility than some of the biggest and most popular stocks on the Wall Street. In an interview to CNN, Thiago Caesar, CEO at Transfer Swiss AG, that provides solutions for investment and custody of digital assets, said that the BTC price volatility mostly affects the perception of people on using the cryptocurrency, and its stability may make a good impact on the usage of BTC.
Actually, the price volatility of Bitcoin doesn't affect our operation itself, but it affects the perception of people to use Bitcoin as a means of payment. So yes, for people who actually think about spending Bitcoin on day-to-day life, it's not a good thing because they prefer to spend like a more stable fiat money than actually to rely, because one day they're rich, one day they're poor with Bitcoin.
In addition, Thiago Caesar compared BTC's speed of transaction with Visa and MasterCard, and told that on one hand, nowadays, the Bitcoin is far behind. On the other hand, as opposed to Visa and MasterCard, Bitcoin can be used worldwide, in every country.
First of all, you have to think that Visa and MasterCard, they exist for more than 50 years. So in the beginning, they also were slow to process a high volume of transaction. Back then, you had like those credit cards that you had to put in the carbon paper, so it was slow in the beginning, and then they started to scale up, and now they are huge. I guess Bitcoin one day will also be huge, but it's only a 10-year technology, so it needs more time to scale. Right now, of course, we are much slower than Visa or MasterCard. However, Visa and MasterCard, they are not accepted anywhere. I mean, sometimes I travel to countries, for instance, like Crimea, where Visa and MasterCard doesn't work. So, but Bitcoin, if someone has a wallet there, I can surely send anywhere in the world Bitcoin. So that's the advantage. But in terms of volume, there's no competition yet.
What are other advantages of BTC compared to Visa or MasterCard? Leave your comments below. You've been watching Crypto Market News. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell not to miss the most important news and trends of crypto. I'm Sophia Dunn. Goodbye.